Still testing. There's also the DEQ, which has the RTA. Might get in close to it. Okay, that's focusing. It's about minus 110. It go down a bit lower. 100 minus 100. Whoops, minus 150. It's about the most it'll go down to. And I suppose there's nothing more than noise down there. There might be signal noise even. Well, I've paused the movie. Alright, pause the movie. So there is some actual signal noise ratio on there. Let's just pause my system here. Mute it. Unmute it. See if there's any signal noise ratio. Yeah, there's a mild bit of signal noise ratio through the SDDS because signal's coming down from here and then down to here and then up to here and then onto the DCX. So it's going from down to here, down to the SDU4s and up to the DEQ and then up to the DCX and then over to the THX sound system, to the amplifiers, to the JBLs in the room, the B chain. So yeah, it's just looking at the B chain. So, but don't forget that's minus 135 dB. That's, you know, you wouldn't be able to hear it unless you crank the level up, and then depending on the equipment, whether it's going to have any signal noise ratio. But really, that's so damn far down. The SDDS only goes down to about minus 60. Let's just play this scene again. Yeah. And I've got all the other levels are turned down, like the digital levels and all the other levels are turned down to 0 again. But, let me see if I can see that thump sound, which is just coming up at 2 minutes 53 seconds. See if I can see any other thump sound. Oh, there it is. Yeah, saw a little bump there. Let's just play that again. 2 minutes 53 seconds. Okay. Get the camera in position. 57, 58, 48, 50. Boom, there's that little bump again. So it's very, like I say, when I hear it, it's very low frequency, sort of. So play it again. Yeah, there it is. Oh no. Oh. Back up. 40, 42, 44, 45, 47. Yep, and there it is, that bump. Yeah. So it's very low level. It's very low down. So usually if the fader was played at a, but then how many home theaters are going to be able to hear that? Not just that the Marconi Morse code, and then hear that crackle static, which is, sort of static noise on an actual radio. It's on the upper side band. It's on the lower side band. There's some signal noise, some sort of repeater station or something. signal comes in pretty strong. It's on the mid band. But generally, that's the sort of noise that you'd hear in the movie Contact. Not at that sort of sound level necessarily. It's a lot fainter. And that's someone must be sending some sort of signal. Must be some sort of data. You can send data on the HF. The only problem is it would take hours because of the it's a very low band. It's not a high frequency band. But you could have it an encoder and then decoder and send binaural, like a text message. Oh, someone there on the upper side band. Or they're on the lower. No. Sounds like Ukraine or Russian. Got a high band. Well, bit of activity out there. And that's what AM sounds like. Very noisy. Bit more noisier than the sideband. And that's what FM sounds like. And that's bloody noisy. That's what continuous wave, carrier wave, continuous wave sounds like. A little less on the, it's more of a low, and that's usually used for, like I say, Morse code, Marconi. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, and that's that.